In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start over on QuickBooks Online, and we'll get it done in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or just getting started, there may come a time when you need to reset your QuickBooks Online account and start fresh. Perhaps you've been experimenting and things didn't go as planned, or maybe you're setting up a new company file from scratch. Whatever the reason, don't worry. We'll walk through each step smoothly and efficiently so you can get back on track quickly, without losing control over your workflow. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. If you're not already logged in, click the Sign In option at the top right corner. Enter your email and password carefully, double checking for typos to avoid login issues. Once you've entered your credentials, click Sign In to access your QuickBooks Online account. Now comes a special navigation step. You'll need to type a specific URL into your browser, qb.in.com/slapp/purge company. This link takes you to the page where you can start the process of clearing your company data. Once there, delete everything before the last / in the URL. This ensures the system recognizes that you're ready to reset your data. Next, you'll see a text box prompting you to enter a keyword. Type Purge Company exactly as shown and hit Enter. QuickBooks Online then requires confirmation to prevent accidental data loss. Type YES in all caps in the text box at the bottom right of the page to confirm that you truly want to start over. Finally, click the OK button. This irreversible action will purge all your data and give you a clean slate to begin anew. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make sure it's really what you want. Before purging, consider exporting or backing up any important reports, invoices, or financial records. You never know when you might need them later. Once the purge is complete, you'll have a fresh environment, allowing you to reorganize accounts properly, implement best practices from the beginning, and customize settings tailored to your business needs. And there you have it. Starting over on QuickBooks Online is designed to be straightforward and efficient, even if it feels like a big task at first. Feel free to replay this video or revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher, or even to guide a friend who's in the same situation. By taking this approach, you can ensure your financial records remain accurate, your workflow stays organized, and your QuickBooks Online experience is both seamless and productive. Thanks for following along, and may your QuickBooks journey be stress-free and highly efficient.